Alright, 15-minute timer is done. That means our quiche's done. Let's see what we got going on here. Ooh, that's hot. Alright. That is just what we want to see. Let's go ahead and kill the oven. So that looks great. All we want to do now, we're going to go ahead and let that cool down. I'm not going to mess with it just now because it's a little bit puffed up. But once that's cooled down, I'll go ahead and cut that 6 ways and get 6 slices. And then I'll pack them in 6 Tupperware containers. I'll go in the fridge. And then that's 6 meals for someone. So pretty easy peasy and pretty yummy. So hope you enjoy, hope you try it. Our chili has been marrying for a little while now. Again, that is all pretty much ready to go. You know, the longer it sits in here, the more the flavors all kind of blend together. But it's really just doing that at this point. So it doesn't. You can take it off. You can pack it in Tupperware. You can serve it. Do whatever you want to do. But yeah, that's my weekly meal prep routine in a nutshell.